Imagine a compound so powerful that researchers compared it to 6 million times stronger than BDNF at forming new neural connections. A compound originally researched for Alzheimer's, but now being used by high performers, exhausted parents, students, entrepreneurs, and anyone who just want their brain back. It's called Dihexa, and I'm going to explain it in a way no one else will. No bro science, no hype, just real science, real experience, and what I have seen in clinical practice. And by the way, if a supplement brand ever tells you that they sell Dihexa, run, because 99% of what's being sold online is fake, illegal, or dangerous. Let's get into the truth. Alright, let's start simple. What is Dihexa? Dihexa is a synthetic peptide derivative of angiotensin 4. It was originally developed by researchers at Washington State University as a therapeutic candidate for Alzheimer's disease, traumatic brain injury, and severe cognitive decline. Dihexa increases synaptogenesis, meaning your brain's ability to build new connection. It enhances neuroplasticity. It boosts memory formation. It may help with learning, focus, processing speed, and recall. And the most important thing, this is not caffeine, not Adderall, your regular ADHD medication. This is a brain rewiring peptide. Why Dihexa is so different? This is where people get confused. Most nootropics stimulates you. Dihexa changes your brain's ability to change. Think of it this way. If caffeine is like stepping on a gas pedal, Dihexa is like upgrading the entire engine. It binds to the hepatocyte growth factor, HGF. HGF activates MET receptors involved in neural growth. This pathway is essential for repairing damaged synapses. This is too technical. What does this even mean? It means, in a simple term, your brain becomes more adaptive, more youthful, more plastic, and more capable. So let's talk about the real-life benefits of Dihexa. Here are the type of people who comes to me asking about Dihexa. Burned out entrepreneurs, busy parents who can't focus, former students who now feel foggy, people recovering from long COVID, people dealing with TBI history, anyone who feels like their brain is aging faster than the rest of them. Nobody comes in saying, I want to be a superhuman. They just come in and say, I just want my brain back. And that is where Dihexa shines. Here are some of the common benefits of Dihexa. Sharper memory, faster recall, increased mental stamina, emotional stability, better verbal fluency, creativity boost, better sensory processing. Okay, now this part about Dihexa gets spicy. Dihexa is controversial because it's extremely strong. It's research grade. It's not meant to be sold in supplement store. And yes, biohacker online love abusing this peptide. But listen, this peptide is not a toy. This is not alpha GPC for biohacker. This is not lion's mane for inflammation and brain health. You don't microdose this casually while watching Joe Rogan's clip. If someone tries to sell you Dihexa without prescription, it's not a Dihexa, it's an Amazon sand. Here are the list of people who should not use Dihexa. Anyone prone to anxiety spikes, anyone with mania history, pregnancy or nursing, anyone with uncontrolled hypertension, teens, people looking for shortcut instead of lifestyle change. Dihexa enhances what's already going on in your brain. If your brain is running chaos, you just turn up the volume on that chaos. How does Dihexa work? Okay, let me simplify it. Your brain has two jobs. Number one, fire, means neuron sending signals. And number two is wire, means neurons connecting so the signals stays. Dihexa helps your brain wire better. More connections equals better memory. More memory equals better performance. Better performance equals a life that feels clearer and easier. Here are some of the safety things to keep in mind while using Dihexa. Always start with low dose. Oral or transdermal are the most common one in longevity clinics. Overdosing equals headache, irritability, overstimulation, and insomnia. If you take too much, you won't feel like Einstein. You'll feel like a squirrel on too much espresso. Let's do a quick comparison of different nootropics. Dihexa equals rewiring brain and neuroplasticity. Semax equals acute focus plus learning. Selank equals calm clarity plus anti-anxiety. Modafinil, ADHD medication, wakefulness, but gives you jitters sometimes. Think of Dihexa like a long-term brain architect, not a stimulant. My honest opinion, what I care about is not hype, but outcome. And Dihexa is one of the most promising peptide in the neurogeneration world. And Dihexa is the most promising peptide in neuroregeneration world. When used carefully, when used medically supervised, when used as a part of a bigger strategy, not a shortcut. Peptides aren't a magic pill, but Dihexa is one of those rare tools that can actually change the brain. If you love learning about peptides, performance, and functional medicine, hit that subscribe button, follow, and share this with someone who needs their brain back. Because we are just getting started.